Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install LDPlayer. So let's get started. For this, you'll require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the search bar, you need to enter LDPlayer space download and press enter. You'll get this first link. So what this software does, it runs Android games and apps smoothly on PC. Okay. So over here, if you want to download any previous versions, you can select this previous versions and you will be able to see old versions like LDPlayer 3 32-bit, LDPlayer 5 32-bit, and LDPlayer 5 64-bit. Okay, and the latest LDPlayer 9 is also available. So we'll go back and we are going to download LDPlayer 9. So I'll select this. This is going to download the setup file. You will get a pop-up, select yes. Let me minimize this web browser. So I have checked this to create a shortcut for LD multiplayer. Also check this, read and agree. Okay, setup path, if you want you can change the setup path. I'll keep it default, then click on install. So once the installation is completed, you will get a pop-up, select yes. So once the installation is completed, you'll get to see the screen. So we have maximized the screen. Over here you can search for the different games. Okay, like how you can look for the Ultra Fighter. If you want you can install it, or if you want you can install it on your phone as well from here. Okay, there are different sections for you. Then pre-register, you can pre-register any upcoming games. Okay, in category you can see the different categories and you can filter it. If you want card game, you can select this. Okay, then LD rewards you'll be able to see in this section. And in login, if you select this, you'll be able to log in with the your Google account. So let's go back to the store. Okay, over here you can see the different top new games recommended and the popular game section. On the right hand side, you'll be able to see the settings menu. If you select this, you can change the resolution of your display, tablet, phone, widescreen, customize it. Okay, in advance you can change the CPU and RAM configuration. In model, you can select which phone or brand you want to use. Okay, then disk, you can change the settings. In audio, okay, network, over here shortcuts you get common for Android. You can scroll down, there are a lot of options. Then in wallpaper you can change the wallpaper. Others, you can check the settings for if you want this application to be auto start when you start your PC. You can keep this run on PC startup. Then root permissions you can provide. There are different options. Okay, and then you can save this. So these are the settings for this application. Over here keyboard mapping you can do. Okay, then volume up, volume down, this is for the full screen. Operation recorder, LD multiplayer, install. If you have an APK file you can install it from here. Then screenshot, you can video record. Synchronizer, okay, you can shake. Shared folder, visual GPS, and this is to rotate the screen. So all these options you get with the software. So I'll close this for now. Okay, so you get two softwares. One is the LD Player 9 and this is the LD multiplayer. If you select this, you'll get to manage the instances. You can add new instance, you can create a group. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.